This is an IGCSE question which states, explain why people live in poor quality housing in urban areas. The first one is inadequate better quality housing. Because there's massive rural urban migration, that's people moving from villages to cities, there is pressure on the established housing in urban cities, therefore forcing people to live in poor quality housing. That's number one. Number two, demand for housing exceed supply because of the massive inflow of people from rural areas to urban areas. It exceeds the number of new houses that are being built in urban areas. That's number two reason. Number three is little investment by authorities in housing scheme. In some countries, government do not really invest in housing scheme. Therefore, poor families have no option other than to live in poor quality housing. Number four is poor quality housing that is cheap. So in urban areas, poor people cannot afford to live in places where they want, because if they are to live in those places where they want, they don't have the financial capacity to help them live in such places. What do? They will now live in poor quality housing because it is what? Cheap and affordable for them. Another reason why most people or some people live in poor quality housing in urban areas is better quality housing is too expensive for them. These houses are not actually expensive for those that can afford it, but it is actually expensive for those who cannot afford it. Therefore, they are not able to stay in better housing in urban areas, leading them to do what? Stay in poor quality housing. So the first reason, these are some of the reasons why people stay in poor quality housing in urban areas. The first one is inadequate better quality housing. Demand for housing exceeds supply. Little investment by authority in housing scheme. Poor quality housing is cheaper, then better quality housing is too expensive. Those are the reasons why people live in poor quality housing in urban areas. I know you have learned something today. Kindly click on the like button, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.